Creating a perennial garden bed, a guide to year-round beauty. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the beauty and intricacies of the English language. Today, we're diving into a very special topic that combines nature with the art of gardening: perennial garden bed. This phrase not only introduces us to a type of garden but also opens up a world of year-round beauty and sustainability. So, let's embark on this green journey together and learn what makes a perennial garden bed truly special. Before we dive into the depths of a perennial garden bed, it's crucial to understand what the phrase means. Perennial refers to plants that live for more than 2 years. Unlike annuals, which complete their life cycle in 1 year, perennials regrow every spring from their rootstock. The garden bed part of the phrase refers to a specific area in a garden where these plants are grown. Together, perennial garden bed describes a garden area dedicated to plants that return year after year, providing a continuous display of color and foliage. Perennials offer a multitude of benefits, making them a favorite among gardeners. Firstly, they are cost-effective in the long run, as you don't need to replant them each year. Secondly, perennials often grow stronger and larger as they age, leading to more spectacular displays over time. Additionally, they play a crucial role in supporting local ecosystems, providing habitat and food for wildlife. By choosing perennials, you're not just creating a garden, you're nurturing a living ecosystem that thrives year after year. Creating a perennial garden bed requires some planning and creativity. Start by considering the location and sunlight your garden bed will receive, as these factors significantly influence the health of your plants. Think about color schemes and bloom times to ensure your garden offers a continuous display of flowers. Mixing plants of different heights and textures can also add depth and interest to your garden bed. Remember, a well-planned perennial garden bed evolves with time, becoming more beautiful and vibrant with each passing year. While perennials are known for their resilience, they still require care to flourish. Watering, mulching, and fertilizing are essential steps to ensure your plants thrive. Additionally, some perennials benefit from pruning or deadheading, which can encourage more blooms and maintain a tidy appearance. It's also important to divide perennials every few years to prevent overcrowding and promote healthy growth. With the right care, your perennial garden bed can become a stunning feature of your garden that lasts for years. We hope this guide has inspired you to start your own perennial garden bed or has enriched your understanding of this beautiful gardening practice. Perennials bring a sense of continuity, beauty, and sustainability to our gardens and lives. They remind us of the enduring cycles of nature and the rewards of nurturing growth. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope to see you again soon for more explorations into the English language and beyond. Happy gardening, and remember, the beauty of perennials is not just in their bloom but in their resilience and longevity.